got Team Bright Sparks. Chris, can you tell us what's happened?
We've broken a Longfield CV, and Ryan from Snake Racing's kindly helped us out with a set of Dirty 30s. Thank you, Ryan. We really appreciate it, so we can get back out on the tracks and do some more damage.
How did you do the damage?
Coming down the Mini Warraba, we got caught in a hole and we reversed and turned and bang, away she goes.
Do you think we see you back on the track?
Another half hour, we should be back out there.
Chris, from Team Bright Sparks, we come to the end of another epic tough truck. How was the weekend for you?
In one word, tough. We had a great weekend. Total count was 2 rear axles, a transfer case, a front chromoly CV. Yeah, so we've been spending a lot of hours repairing the car. We've had a lot of help from people around the place. Snake Racing have helped us out big time with a set of Dirty 30s for the front. Without them, we wouldn't have been kept going for the weekend, so thanks to them, we kept going. Couldn't have done it without the Kamikaze 4-wheel drive club, mate. All the guys. As soon as you get back to camp, they're there with tools ready to help out.
And we hope to see you next year.
Definitely be here next year. Wouldn't miss it.